How to register to Scotiabank Online Banking. So if you want to register or log into your mobile app on Scotia, then first you need to open up the application. So before opening, make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've installed, you need to tap and open the application. And now you can go for sign in, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Tap on sign in and then you can enter your username or your card number, or if you forgot your username or card number, then you can go for continue. But here you don't want to sign into your account, you need to create your account, right? So to create or to register, you can go for activate now, which will be on the bottom left. Tap on that, and from here you can set up your username and password. So you need to choose your account type, like you can choose credit card, debit card, or investment, line of credit, mortgage, loan, Scotia line for students, or Scotia iTrade. So you can choose any one of these options. And then you need to enter your card number. So you can choose your credit card and then you need to enter your credit card number. Or if you have choose your debit card, then you can enter your debit card number. And once you enter your card number, you can tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on continue, it will ask you to create your username, and then it will ask you to enter your password or create your password. Once you've created your username and password, it will take you to the next page where you can follow the instructions and your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you register to your Scotiabank Online Banking app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.